morning, lecturers and my friend Agnes. On this occasion, I would like to present the result of my presentation. And first, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Stephen Moses Susanto, and PM211007551 would like to explain about how Petalin can still keep his body healthy. Next. This is the question is explain how Petalin does his job and keeps his health while working as a flavor development specialist. Even though his job is an ice cream tester, when Petalin has to take care of his health, but in his job, he is required to taste ice cream. Petalin has sensitive buds and can enable cholesterol count of 168. And also, he knows a lot of taste. To keep his cholesterol in check, he's avoiding eggs and cutting back on cheese and red meat. Also, he's inventing new ice cream flavor to try out chocolate chip Chucky Dove. Previously, this Petalin was the ex-chef behind Chunky Monkey and Cherry Garcia. And their food is well known, always healthy. And the secret why Petalin stay healthy even though his job is tasting ice cream, and to maintain his body immunity in making food, Petalin began to reduce the use of fruit, cheese, and meat, and which have high cholesterol levels, as well as the application in our life. We also have to take care of the food we consume so that the immunity in our body does not decrease. And by adding vitamins, it can also increase our healthy immunity. In the process of making ice cream that is healthy for the body, in the ice cream making experiment, there one opinion that he thought was unique, namely is a chili vanilla ice cream. But in my opinion, it was a bad idea. Peter's reaction to flavor named called chili vanilla ice cream with chili powder is the scary part when he thinks he's serious. Because it would be weird if spicy mixed with ice cream or sugar. Meanwhile, sometimes people eat ice cream when they feel spicy. Of course, it's not a good idea to make ice cream with chili powder. Not all flavor can be made, and an example is chili powder. But in Indonesia, we have various kinds of species such as ginger. Indonesia is rich in spices, so we thought to make the taste of ginger, and ginger have so many health benefits. So our group thought that ginger is suitable for flavoring ice cream. We can feel the warmth from ginger from our mouth and cold from ice cream at the same time. But what's wrong with trying? There are many variants that I think you can try to consumption. For example, there is a ginger ice cream with other flavor. Then there is yogurt ice cream with a variety of flavors. So a lot of ice cream is actually healthy for consumption. Even today, there is also ice cream that is used for dieting. And it's good for health. So that's why Petalin stay healthy even though his job is ice cream testing. Next. And question number 2 is, which quality that is more important for Peter to be able to do his job professionally, his talents or his skills? Explain and give example. Peter's quality that must be maintained in carrying out his work professionally is that he must maintain his skills in making food. Because to keep his food healthy for consumption, for example, when he makes bread, he makes with low cholesterol and reduce the use of cheese and red meat. And with his skills, Peter can continue to develop his experiments in making healthy food. The meaning of the skill itself is the ability of expertise to do a job that is only obtained in practice. And this, my opinion, is also about the importance of talent or skill. In my opinion, the most important thing is skill, because talent without skill, the performance of the talent will decrease too. And skill will also be developed into a talent. Skill can continue to grow. Talent, if not developed, even with a skill, will also die. Inside Xavier personally, I have talent in sports, but not all sports I can do. And if I don't have skills in sport, I may not be able to have skill in sports. For example, basketball, badminton, swimming, and tennis. Through development skills, we can learn many things. But with only talent, we can only learn one thing. Peter Lin did that. Therefore, he could do various food experiments. So, from the story of Peter Lin, with how he can maintain health even though his job is a taster ice cream. By keeping the food you are going to eat and reducing oily food containing salt and reducing instant flavor. Because when we don't take care of the food we eat, there will be many diseases that can affect our immune system. For example, diabetes, obesity, coronary heart disease, and can even causes stress. And in the end, cause cancer. So by maintaining a healthy diet and living, we can prevent all disease that can cause us death. That's result of my presentation. Sorry that if there are mistake in the pronunciation of word. Any question? Any question?
No, Stephen, I think your presentation is fully explained.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.